Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold is following our wave count at the moment. It's going to be interesting. By the way, I record this video here on Friday actually, after the market closed. You will see that on Sunday, but that doesn't matter because the price will not have moved over the weekend. But because on Sunday I'm doing stuff, so I recorded here on Friday today. Yeah, what I wanted to indicate to you, we've got a 5-wave up. That was already the message in the last video, and we can count that as a diagonal structure. So we hit again, I mean, it's just amazing. We had here our larger trend reversal area, the low of this wave 2, after price rallied impulsively out of this trend reversal area. Again, these are all setups, right? Here to the 2060 high, we were then waiting for a pullback in a wave 2, happened, price turned. Here I did highlight to you, okay, we are probably going to get down in a wave 4 support area. We did that, rallied, and then I think in the last video we talked about this upcoming wave 2 correction. So this could be seriously the breakout setup that will cause an absolute rally in gold and possibly silver as well. I'm just a little bit unsure if this is already the wave 2 here, yeah, or if we get to one more high. But either way, I would say there is a good chance it will at least reach 1955 in this pullback. And either way, it must hold 1919. Any break below $1,919 will likely cause this to break down. And yeah, then it would get difficult for gold. I'm very honest with you. Then it would get difficult. But at the moment, everything going according to plan. And we have to be honest, I mean, if this setup fails and you're really trading this, then you just need to use a stop loss. Okay, you just need to use a stop loss. But at the moment, it looks good. We had 5 waves up. Again, only diagonal structure, so it needs to prove itself. How does it do that? It will do that by breaking down in 3 waves, yeah, in a corrective structure, A, B, C into wave 2 pullback zone. And then from here, somewhere, we need to rally in a 3rd wave. Now, in the 3rd wave, I would expect prices, well, we typically would measure the 1.618 extension of the wave 1. Now, I don't have a real target yet for the wave 2. I mean, we've got here a zone, but I can really only calculate the 3rd wave target if I know where the wave 2 has ended. Well, it hasn't ended yet, obviously, but let's assume it comes down maybe to the 50% fib level. Then a target for the 3rd wave would be at 2090, yeah. So that gives you an idea. If, however, price rallies after it hits this area only a little bit and shows weakness, yeah, then it could be, and that's sort of the, you could say, alternative wave count. I don't know if you've watched the silver video, but it would then be aligned with silver, where this actually might have just been an overshooting B wave of something. And we are now coming down in a 4th wave, basically that we do something like this, that this 4th wave actually never finished and we get one more high in a 5th wave. And the wave 1 would then sit here, okay. So I need to observe that next week, but it wouldn't change much about the analysis, just sort of morphing of the lower degree wave count a little bit. But in both scenarios, I would expect higher. And as long as 1919 is holding, the focus can be on higher. The thing is, if we look at this structure, we have this potential inverse head and shoulders on the chart as well. Something I've been talking about for a while because we saw that potentially coming with a neckline around $2,000. This current wave 2 could be the right shoulder, and then it could cause an absolute rally if it breaks out to the upside above $2,000. We'll see. It's going to be interesting. Not much more to add at this stage, but I think what is important for the coming week is to watch for a potential reversal in the yellow support area. We've got support at 1955, 1944, 1934 and 1919. From here, ideally, it's going to push higher. Again, below 1919, the scenario will have to change, and it means that an alternative trend is playing out. Yeah, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.